Access Chapter 2, Skills Review 2. Let's go ahead and download the file. We're going to save it to our Access Chapter 2 folder. We'll add our last name, first initial. Open it up. Enable contents. That takes care of step 1. Create a new table in Design View. Create table design. And as I mentioned on Canvas here, we're going to update the field sizes for our short text data types. So let's see what that looks like. The first field name is client ID, and this is an auto number, tab, tab. The next one is last name, and this one's going to be a data type of short text, and we're going to change this to 25. I don't think there's any first names that are more than 25 letters, so that should leave us plenty of room. And we'll do the same thing for the first name. We'll update this to 25. Email address will allow 50 characters. Sometimes email addresses can get kind of long. And for the schedule, this is going to use the lookup wizard. And I just started typing lookup wizard, and when it came up, I hit the enter key. And we're going to type in our own values because the textbook gave us our own values to type in. So we'll say next. And the first one will be orientation. Make sure you use your down arrows. If you hit enter, it's going to go to the next choice in your dialog box. So you don't want to do that. You need to finish typing in our different choices, or you can use your mouse to click also. And that's it. We can say finish here. And then you'll notice that lookup wizard actually goes away and it changes to short text. And we'll update this to 25. That's plenty of room for the different things that we typed in. We're going to make the client ID the primary key field. And we'll save the table as client. So this time I will come up here and choose the floppy disk icon. Again, if you want to add the word table to the file name, or not the file name, but the object name, that's fine. And we'll close it. And now we're going to create a form based on this table. So I'm going to choose it, not open it. You don't want it to be open, just selected, so that when we click on form, it makes it based on this table. Step 9, switch to design view and narrow the field widths. And you can do that in layout view. When we create a table this way, it automatically comes to layout view. You don't need to go to design view. And shorten it halfway. We don't have our ruler, so if we do go to design view, the one advantage of going to design view is that, oops, sorry about that, is that we can see our ruler. So if I click here, grab my mouse, and you'll notice that it shortens all the fields at once. So we only need to do one because they're grouped together. And then we're going to enter 3 records. So now we'll go to form view, enter 3 records. Let's see, step 13, close the form. open the table. So you can go ahead and enter your records. I don't think you need me to demonstrate that. So I'm going to close this, save it, and clients form. If we open up the table, step 14 says to auto fit the email, and I didn't put any records in here, but once you put your records in here, you can double click to auto fit your email. You always want to make sure that you can read all your records, and we won't do any printing. And that would be it.